Hello friends, today I shall tell you stripping test on aggregates. A stripping test for aggregate is important to measure the susceptibility of road aggregate to moisture-induced damage. It is carried out to evaluate the adhesion of bitumen film with coarse aggregate in the presence of water. I mean how coating of aggregate with bitumen remains intact when bitumen coated aggregates are submerged in water for a long period. And there are two types of test. One is static immersion test, which was suggested in IS 6241 of 1971. And this code has now been replaced by IS 6241 2024. And the static immersion test is replaced by boiling water test. Another one is boiling water test as per ASTM D 3625. So there are two boiling water tests, one as per IS code, another as per ASTM code. I will explain all the three. Static immersion test, boiling water test as per IS code and boiling water test as per ASTM code. Because this static immersion test is still in some contracts of road projects. You need two IS sieves, one of size 20 mm, another of 12.5 mm. Pass the aggregate through IS 20 mm IS sieve and retain it on 12.5 mm. The aggregate should be dry, clean, and take about 200 grams of these aggregates, that is passing 20 and retained on 12.5 mm IS sieve. Heat the aggregate at 150 to 160 degrees centigrade to remove all moisture. Heat the bitumen separately and add 5% of bitumen by weight of aggregate into the vessel containing the hot aggregate. That means 200 grams of aggregate and 10 grams of bitumen. Mix aggregate and bitumen properly so that the bitumen completely coats the aggregates. And after this coating is done, then transfer these either in a jar or on a plate and allow it to cool at room temperature for about 2 hours. Then transfer these aggregates to a 500 ml beaker and fill it with the distilled water at least up to the half depth. Cover the beaker and then place it in a water bath maintained at 40 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. Level of water in the water bath should be at least half the height of the beaker. After 24 hours, take the beaker out from the water bath, cool it to room temperature, and then spread these aggregates on a white paper or in a tray, and then examine the individual particle for the coating of the aggregate. The stripping value is reported as the ratio of uncovered area or area of aggregate when the bitumen has been removed divided by total area of the aggregates. Boiling water test as per IS 6241 2024 requires sieves of 22.4 mm and 11.2 mm. And the aggregate quantity is same, that you take 200 grams of aggregate which is dry and clean, and they are heated at 120 to 175 degrees centigrade depending upon whether you are mixing it hot or warm mix, and then add 8 grams of bitumen. Now here, instead of 10 grams which was earlier into 1971 code, it is now 4% by weight of aggregate. So add 8 grams of hot bitumen, mix it properly so that aggregates are coated, and after completion of the coating, transfer the sample in a tray with preferably a silicone sheet that can prevent sticking of bitumen, and put it in a oven for 2 hours at 135 degrees centigrade. That is the conditioning of the specimen. After conditioning in the oven for 2 hours, the mixture is allowed to cool at room temperature, and then it is transferred to a 500 milliliter beaker and then add distilled water to fully submerge the coated aggregates. After that, put the beaker on a hot plate and start heating. Bring the water to the boiling temperature and continue it for 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes, you remove the binder which comes on the surface of the water to avoid re-sticking or re-deposition. And this continues for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes of boiling, take the sample out and allow to dry at room temperature. That is boiling test as per IS 6241:2024. Boiling test as per ASTM D 3625 is similar to what is given in IRC 6241:2024 edition, but with a lesser rigor. It does not require conditioning of the specimen at 135 degrees centigrade before boiling. The aggregate size is same 22.4 retained on 11.2, but it says that the bitumen quantity should be as used in the field. So it will depend upon the type of layer, and it says that prepare an uncompacted asphalt coated aggregate mix following established laboratory procedure or obtain a sample of plant produced mixture. So when you are preparing in the laboratory, take 200 grams of aggregate, 10 grams of bitumen, mix them properly and then cool it to room temperature in a tray. And it says that before transferring into the beaker, this mixture should be brought to the temperature of 85 to 90 degrees centigrade. And after putting in the beaker, add distilled water to fully submerge the coated aggregate. Boil it for 10 minutes, not for 30 minutes as given in IS 6241. And after the end of 10 minutes, remove the container from the heat source. Skim off any free asphalt from the surface of the water to prevent recoating. Cool it to room temperature, decant the water, and then empty the wet mix on a white paper towel and evaluate or visually observe the aggregate for retained asphalt coating. The brownish surface as well as completely stripped surface shall be considered as stripped area, and glossy black or dull black portion of the aggregate shall be considered as coated surface. And the stripping value shall be the ratio of the uncovered area observed visually to the total area of the aggregate in each test expressed as a percentage. So that is how stripping test is done by 3 different methods. IS 6241 old edition 1971, that is immersion test. 2024 edition of IS code, that is boiling water test, and ASTM D 3625, that is also a boiling test. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can write.